What's up, guys? We're currently in Boston City, USA.
We are currently doing the
Freedom Trail.
Really cool. We just started. Really good weather. It's warm, but kind of breezy, cloudy, so good day for it.
Yeah, so we're gonna keep doing this trail, show you guys some of that, drop some snippets of information on it. It's pretty cool. I'm a big history guy. I think we're big history people.
Yeah, we love history, love museums, love Hamilton.
So we'll see you guys on this little adventure that we're going on. I think it's the whole city. I'm not 100% sure, but we'll try to do some other things too along the way. So come join us in Boston.
See you later. That's an old style printer.
You want to go in there?
If you want.
It's open. Watch your step.
So today I'm printing the Philadelphia edition of the Declaration of Independence. The press itself is called the Common Press. It was invented by Gutenberg in the year 1450. Literally for the next 350 years, there's no other printing press in the world other than the Gutenberg machine. Nobody thinks of anything different, nobody invents anything different. It's this until the year 1800, when we start making printing presses out of cast iron, and everything changes. What doesn't change is this. Those are movable types, about 12,000 pieces right there. Takes about 8 hours to set something like that, 12,000 characters. And this is what the letters look like.
You can do all that?
We did all these.
Oh, that's really cool.
8 point, 18 point.
Wow.
In the 15th to the 18th century, every bit of paper that we write on and print on in the Western world is made out of this. Flax and linen. See those two holes right there? That's bad news. That means the shirt's about ready to completely give out mechanically. Once that happens, I sell it to a rag buyer and make paper out of it. But not until that happens. You have to mechanically break this stuff down because linen's tough.
Right.
This modern paper, you can't get linen paper since the middle of the 19th century. This is cotton, 100% cotton. Also can't get this in the United States. This is 100% cotton, laid linen paper. This is made in France. We don't make 100% cotton laid linen paper here because many people write on paper anymore, especially good stuff. So these are ink balls, leather over top, a couple handfuls of sheep's wool nailed onto a wooden form. They come with the machine when Gutenberg invents it in the 15th century. And for the next 350 years, this is it. Every book, newspaper, pamphlet, broadside you see printed is going to be inked by beating these on the form. Right? So for every sheet you print, you have to weed. Two pressmen normally run the press, one beats the ink on, the other handles the paper and pulls the bar.
Is it possible to like over-ink that?
Yes. Over-inking is a problem, especially on small type, something like that. That's 24,000 pieces of ink on type. So that over-inks easily. So really when you're printing something like that, I clean the press a couple times a day. Because the letters are easily clogged. Just a piece of fuzz off of the ink ball or whatever. That's the hardest thing I have with apprentices, is teaching them not to over-ink. Then they under-ink, and then I can't sell anything they print. So either way, it's tough. That's why we call it a printing press. And I present to you the United States.
What's up, guys and gals? So we are at Long Wharf, Boston.
We just finished the Freedom Trail.
Just finished Freedom Trail. It was really cool.
Yeah.
You know, you guys should do it at some point. We didn't go in detail of it all. We were kind of just passing by all the stops and stuff, but you can go inside every single stop.
Yeah. Some of them are free entry, some of them are paid.
Yeah.
I definitely recommend grabbing one of the guides because it gives you all the information on like every single one of the stops. Because that's what we were doing. We were just kind of reading about them, walking, deciding what to spend a lot of time in, what not to, kind of based on the crowds and stuff. And
Yeah.
so, I think one of the coolest things was seeing like the original Gutenberg printing press.
Yeah.
Which is like not even a part of the trail. It's just this guy who does this nonprofit.
Yeah,
that's
it's
set
on the
up
trail.
On the trail.
Yeah.
But definitely find that.
Yeah.
He was, man, where was he? 'Cause I really can't
He was
really
by
check
the
that out.
church, one of the churches.
Old North.
Old North Church. It's like
Yeah.
right in the middle of it.
Right after Paul Revere's house.
Yeah.
And right before one of the last stops before you cross over
Yeah.
the bridge. But go check him
Yeah.
out. His name was
Gary.
Gary.
Gary, yeah.
Super nice guy.
Yeah,
and
really informative.
Really passionate about what he's doing. So then we just took the ferry back over to the Long Wharf.
Yeah,
and
we saw the
now-
Constitution.
Yeah, we saw the Constitution after that, and then took the ferry, and then now we are gonna head and get something to eat.
Yep, pretty
And
hungry.
Our time in Boston is running out. We've got a flight to catch, but other than that, I think we made the most of our day for sure.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. So we're gonna get something to eat. Top 25 place, all you can eat.
What? That's not it at all.
Good eats. Top 25 good eats.
It's it's one of TripAdvisor's top 25 rated for everyday eats. It's called the Bostonia Public House, I think. I'll clarify that. We'll drop it in here.
Yeah.
But gonna go check it out and have one last good meal in Boston before we say goodbye.
Yeah.
But
Hopefully it's not a chain restaurant.
it's not. It's the only one.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure.
We'll figure it out.
TripAdvisor doesn't rank chain restaurants, I don't think.
All right. Well,
So.
all right. Come eat with us, guys.